In this video, we are counting down the 6 most reliable naked Japanese motorcycles you can buy for under $8,000. 6th, the $4,999 Yamaha MT-03. One of the cheapest bikes that feels real is the Yamaha MT-03. Liquid-cooled parallel twin 321 cubic centimeter engines provide 42 horsepower and 21 pound-feet of torque. This bike's dependability and performance please riders. Motorcycle News scored it a perfect 5 for build quality and dependability. Riders say they've covered 30,000 kilometers without problems. Oil and filter are changed every 4,000 miles, and valves are examined every 15,000 miles. Dealer service costs $200 to $250 annually. The MT-03's small weight and smartphone-compatible LCD screen make it ideal for first-time users. It gets good highway gas mileage with about 70 miles per gallon. Its primary drawbacks are its low power, which makes highway passing difficult, and its simplistic suspension, which feels mushy at high speeds. MT-03 looks tougher than other entry-level motorcycles, making it seem more expensive. Due to its Predator-style headlamps and huge fuel tank, it looks costly despite being cheap. Because city riding is so entertaining, many individuals maintain this bike for years after learning how to ride it. Its light frame makes it easy to flick through traffic, and the engine has enough personality to keep things exciting without scaring rookie riders. The MT-03 brakes excel. The 298mm front disc with 2-piston caliper gives bigger riders confidence in stopping power. Stock ABS is well-tuned and rarely interferes with riding. The stock Dunlop SportMax GPR 300 tires grip admirably even when dry. Users often replace them after 8,000 miles when the originals wear out. A bonus, the MT-03 has strong community support. Since there are thousands of owners worldwide, there are many forum discussions, YouTube videos, and social media groups for changes, upkeep, and group rides. Slip-on exhausts cut weight and improve sound without changing the fuel controller, making them popular modifications. LED turn signs improve visibility, and aftermarket windshields make long drives more comfortable. The MT-03 is a great starter motorbike due to its inexpensive insurance rates, quick parts availability, and high resale value. 5th, the $5,399 ABS Kawasaki Z400. There are plenty of Kawasaki Z400s in stores for under $6,000. Its 399 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine produces 45 horsepower and 27 pound-feet of torque. This machine has no serious reliability issues. According to reviews, early models had clutch issues that can be repaired with new parts. For this Kawasaki bike, servicing is every 4,000 miles. The Z400 is light and fast, making it ideal for city riding and travel. A brilliant panel display and LED lights set it apart from other bikes in its class. The clutch may be improved for quick riding, and the lofty first gear may be uncomfortable at low speeds. Comparing the Z400 to the Yamaha MT-03, the Kawasaki boasts higher power despite weighing the same. Riding is more aggressive with sporty, comfortable lower arms. Due to the Tsugomi design language, the Z400 looks aggressive and bent over. Bigger engine displacement makes highway driving more comfortable because the engine works less to maintain cruising speeds. Riders who want a bike that can grow with them can wait longer with the Z400. Kawasaki's Ninja 400 sport bike frame makes the Z400's frame intriguing. This trellis design uses the engine as a stressed element to reduce weight and stiffen the frame. You feel safe around bends with accurate handling. The suspension is simple and can only be altered by the rear preload, but it's nicely calibrated for 150 to 200 pound users. Heavy riders claim stronger springs improve bike handling. Another plus is that it gets 55 to 65 miles per gallon, depending on how the owner drives. Its 3.7-gallon tank could take the Z400 over 180 miles, making it ideal for weekend getaways. Its engine tastes different from Yamaha's. Even with the standard system, it boasts greater mid-range torque and louder exhaust. Many customers report the bike seems faster than specs predict, probably because the engine revs rapidly and has good power response. For bike maintenance enthusiasts, the Z400 makes oil filters, spark plugs, and air filters easy to reach. Inexperienced mechanics may simply maintain their own vehicles. The valves are easier to alter than on other models, lowering the cost of ownership. 4th, The $5,599 Kawasaki Z500. The liquid-cooled 451 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine in the Z500 produces 53 horsepower and 31.7 pound-feet of torque. Motorcycle News rates it 5 stars for dependability, and none have been reported. A 4-year warranty is included. Valve checks and oil changes should occur every 15,000 and 6,000 miles, respectively. The Z500 is comfortable for all heights. Owners admire how the high-quality finish makes it feel more costly than it is, but many say the styling is too conservative, and the ABS can interfere with stopping on bumpy roads. The Z500 is a good mid-range naked bike from Kawasaki. It has many of the Z400's parts, but additional power makes it suited for wide roads. Longer service intervals are great. Ride often to save time and money at the shop. Other advantages include a more upright riding position than the Z400, which many riders prefer for longer rides. The factory-tuned suspension handles a variety of road conditions effectively, although it can only be adjusted for preload. Riders who want a bike for traveling and weekend enjoyment may choose the Z500. The engine character distinguishes the Z500 from the Z400. Due to its larger displacement, the Z500 is more relaxed and has more low-end power while being designed similarly. This implies you'll change gears less often in cities and slower on highways. The exhaust sound is deeper and more pleasing. And the engine vibrates less at highway speeds, making prolonged trips more comfortable. The Z500 features larger braking discs than Z400. The 2-piston caliper and 310mm front wheel stop the car strongly and don't fade. Despite getting in the way on difficult roads, the ABS system performs effectively in emergencies and protects less experienced motorcyclists. Another benefit of the Z500 is its more full instrumentation, including ambient temperature, real-time and average fuel usage, and gear position. These touches make the motorbike feel more expensive despite its low price. The 4-year guarantee is 1 year longer than the industry average and gives long-term bike owners peace of mind. More Z500 aftermarket parts and accessories are available. These include windshields, tail cleaners, slip-on exhausts, and adjustable handles. Many Z500 owners remark that even modest modifications like adjustable grips and a better seat make the bike feel more expensive. Number 3. The $6,899 Honda CB500F with $600 delivery. The Honda CB500F is available at various Honda stores nationwide, and the factory often offers cashback. A liquid-cooled 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine features 2 overhead cams. It produces 50.2 horsepower and 33 pound-feet of torque. The seat is 30.9 inches high and weighs 416 pounds with ABS. Its dependability was rated 4.3 out of 5 by consumers, with some calling it bulletproof. The earliest machines exhibited vibrations beyond 6,000 RPM, but technical faults are rare. Oil and filter are changed every 3,200 miles, and valve clearance is checked every 7,500. Dealership service costs $200 to $250 annually. It's easy to operate at low speeds because to its smooth, torquey engine, light clutch, trustworthy handling, and robust brakes. It gets amazing gas mileage at 60 miles per gallon. Simple instruments without TFT screens and bad road wind protection are the key issues. Many CB500F owners value its flexibility. The bike enjoys weekday commuting and weekend canyon road riding. The broad power band and neutral design make it comfortable to use for hours in traffic without altering gears. You can tell the motorcycle is Honda by its welds, color, and fit and finish. After 10 years, many CB500Fs are still on the road because everything feels sturdy and durable. Honda's reliability makes it a good alternative for riders who seek a simple bike. The CB500F uses Honda's ProLink rear suspension. Despite its few elements, it rides smoothly. The 41mm flexible front forks operate well at all speeds and on all roads despite not being adjustable. Honda concentrated on suspension adjustment for real-world riding rather than stunning specs. One of the CB500F's best characteristics, its calibrated fuel injection system, is overlooked. Honda's power is linear and predictable, unlike competitors' abrupt throttle response. This allows smooth riding in any weather. This polished demeanor extends to the gearbox, which shifts perfectly with a mild clutch pull for city riding comfort. The CB500F, CB500X, and CBR500R share a base. Thus, parts fit all three. This Honda triple platform strategy makes parts easy to find and keeps costs low through economies of scale. The upright shape of the F-Type is preferred by many owners for its convenience and sportiness. Two-purpose use is another perk of the CB500F. Many owners say they can ride their bikes on fire roads and well-kept trails despite their non-off-road status. With its robust design and powerful motor, this middleweight naked bike can be utilized for more than simply street riding, also suitable for light adventure riding. Second place, Kawasaki Z650 costs $7,249 without ABS and $7,749 with ABS, plus $665 delivery. The liquid-cooled Kawasaki Z650 sports a 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine with 2 overhead cams. It produces 67.1 horsepower and 48.7 pound-feet of torque. Curb weight is 412 pounds. No serious mechanical issues have been reported, earning a 4 out of 5 for reliability. Some owners complain the engine casings paint flakes off after winter riding. Early models' exhausts change color, and the electrical switches often don't work. Check valve clearance every 15,000 miles and perform modest services every 7,500 miles for maintenance. People like the Z650 since it's easy for beginners and pros. Middle power and riding position are good. People generally dislike the basic suspension, which might be upgraded for fast riding, and the 3.96-gallon fuel tank, which limits range. The Z650 is faster than bikes with smaller displacements on our list. The 67 horsepower engine and torquey parallel twin architecture provide you constant power to pass on the highway. The Z650 gets 50 miles per gallon in mixed riding despite its speed. Most impressively, Kawasaki kept the Z650's weight similar to their lesser bikes. It feels fast and easy to control. For riders who want a reliable bike for long travels and fun on twisting roads, the Z650 has the ideal power, weight, and comfort. Its unusual body style distinguishes the Z650. Kawasaki engineers credit the bike's nimble handling to its 32-pound trellis frame. Since the engine is stressed, no extra frame parts are needed. The chassis is quite small between the rider's legs. The Z650 feels more connected to the road than most mid-size bikes due to its design. Newer models' 4.3-inch TFT displays improve visibility in all lighting conditions. The Bluetooth connection makes phone integration easy. Kawasaki's Rideology app now displays incoming calls and texts and basic ride stats. Clear information and simple menus make the layout easy to use. Many believe the stock suspension is too soft for quick riding, but it makes the Z650 pleasant on lengthy trips. Despite being robust, the seat distributes weight evenly and prevents pressure areas during extended rides. Many owners say they can ride 300 miles a day without pain, which isn't usually achievable with quicker naked motorcycles. Many owners praise the engine's sound and personality. Its characteristic grumble gets stronger with revs. Power, efficiency, and flair combine in the Z650 parallel twin. Not as unique as a triple or smooth as a 4-cylinder, but a good compromise. Riders like the 180-degree crank design's exhaust sound, especially with an aftermarket exhaust system. First place, Honda CB750 Hornet. It costs $7,999 plus $600 shipping. We recommend this thrilling and safe naked bike around $8,000. Honda CB750 Hornet. These rare items are only sold by Honda's big wing sellers and rarely go on sale. The bike's liquid-cooled 755 cubic centimeter parallel twin motor produces 90 horsepower and 54 pound-feet of torque. Seat height is 31.3 inches and it weighs 419 pounds. After thousands of miles, test riders and owners had no issues, giving it a 5 for dependability. Honda is reliable. Routine maintenance costs $240 per year for the fuel injection system, chain, and brakes. The Hornet is unique for its thrilling action and ease of control. It has ABS, traction control, and multiple ride styles. Much assistance is available for post-purchase accessories. The only downsides are the jerky throttle in town and the stiff suspension for rough roads, which may need to be upgraded. Honda's CB750 Hornet tech is amazing. It weighs as much as bikes with half the power but has almost 90 horsepower. This produces a motorcycle with the power-to-weight ratio to compete with more expensive bikes. The Hornet's engine is from Honda's adventure bikes but tuned for road use. Its high-tech electronics package, which has features found on thousands coaster bikes, sets it apart from other bikes in this price range. The 5-inch TFT screen is bright and easy to read in any light, and you can connect it to your phone for more features. The Hornet is the best bike for speed seekers who value dependability at this price. The Hornet's heart is its engine. Honda's Unicam valve train technology combines dual overhead cam power with single cam size and fuel efficiency. It's designed to let riders of all skill levels use this parallel twin engine. Ride in sport for the fastest response, standard for balanced performance, or rain for less power and more grip control. Transportation is another Hornet strength. The chassis shape is stable enough to turn corners at high speeds while still being agile enough for city turns. When stopping hard, the Showa separate function big piston front fork provides great feedback and controlled compression. For fast riding, the rear shock is simple but effective. Honda improved the Hornet's design with high-end touches. The LED lighting system works and makes the bike stand out at night. Tapered aluminum handlebars provide leverage and precise steering. The foot pegs create a sporty but comfortable riding triangle for all heights. Though known for sports, the Hornet is surprisingly useful. Small items like a disc lock or rain gear fit under the seat, and the fuel tank's shape makes magnetic tank bags easy to attach. An optional quick shifter boosts the Hornet's capabilities. It upshifts and downshifts clutchlessly, improving speed and convenience. Hornets cost thousands less than European competitors in the same speed class, but are more reliable and perform similarly. This makes it appealing to riders who want an exciting motorbike without the high cost or maintenance issues of some European options.